Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the Valentine's Day niche. Now, in the previous days, I did share with you a couple of keywords as well. So I hope that you took advantage of these keywords and started creating Valentine's Day content for the books. And also, these books will not only sell this Valentine's Day, the long-term goal is to get them to sell consistently in the upcoming years as well. So my job here is to try to make it a little bit easier for you by sharing with you an updated list of profitable keywords for you to embark on. Then the creation process and the uploading will be on you. Now, before we get started, if you are interested in getting an updated list of carefully researched keywords to do with Amazon KDP, as well as tips and strategies to make passive income online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now, with that being said, let's get started and talk about the 6 keywords that I have ready for you in today's video. And our first keyword is Valentine's Day gifts for kids sketch. Now, this is a really good keyword. We have a strong keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which has maintained to give us a keyword niche score of number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Now, bear in mind that number 9 is the highest on the scale, so I'm pretty happy with number 8 right here. Also, we have the total results sitting within 1,000, and they are 1,585. Also, the average bestseller rank is under 300,000. Of course, the lower the better, and this one's sitting under 100,000. Now, currently it is at 97,349, and the average reviews are 796. Average price is a whopping $15.48. What are you creating here? You're creating products for kids, and it's got to do with sketch. So it could be a sketchbook, it could be some images that are for children to allow them to copy and paste and sketch as well. There's a couple of ways of going about this. Now, you could also niche down based on the size of the book, whether you want it to be a large print 8.5 times 8.5, is a large print 8.5 times 11 inches, my apologies, or whether you want it to be a pocket size book 8.5 times 8.5 or a travel size 6 by 9 inches. It's up to you. Also, you could niche down based on the visual element that's more emphasized and dominant in the book. So think about the Valentine's Day visual elements. We've got hearts, we've got flowers, we have, animals. Anything appropriate for children would be mainly unicorns, dinosaurs, but they're illustrated in maintaining that Valentine's Day theme as well, with a little bit of hearts here and there. Now, also, you could niche down based on the age group of these children. So creating books for children in preschool and toddler age is different. Of course, you need to keep it large, minimal, as little words as possible. That way you would get really good sales as well, and your book would be age appropriate. So Valentine's Day gifts for kids sketch, I would possibly be creating a sketchbook for that. Scrolling down, we have a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well. This one here is not using the exact keyword, but it is to do with Valentine's Day sketchbook, and they added the word happy and they added the word book right over here, and it currently has a bestseller rank of 53,469, which is also good to see. It's under 100,000 for the individual bestseller rank, selling around 90 copies per month, generating around $126 in revenue per month as well. So Valentine's Day gifts for kids sketch. If you also currently have any sort of Valentine's Day or floral sketchbook in your Amazon KDP portfolio that's already published, go ahead and edit the book and also add this wonderful keyword to the 7 keyword slots to allow your book to rank for this keyword if it is a sketchbook, if it is for kids, and if it is Valentine's Day related. So it doesn't need to have the word Valentine's Day on the cover if it's around the themes and the visual elements of Valentine's Day. So that was the first keyword for the day. Let's head over to the second keyword, which is also connected, and this one's more specific. Now, this one is Valentine's Day sketch pad. So we're creating a sketchbook for Valentine's Day, and we can niche down based on the audience, whether they're children, adults, seniors, based on the career, whether they're teachers, whether they are students, or they're any sort of career that you want, moms, dads, like that, you could also niche down as well and provide a customized image on the cover as a gift as well. So we have the total results sitting under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 728. Average bestseller rank is 109,579, so it is under the 300,000. Average reviews are a whopping 1,190, and average price is $15.23. And we also have the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro of number 6, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. So ideally, I would not use this keyword in the title or subtitle. I will take advantage of it for any Valentine's Day related sketchbook or notebook, or that kind of thing to do with the main theme of Valentine's Day. I would utilize it as part of the 7 keyword slots, not in the title and not in the subtitle. Now, you may have noticed that we do get a 0 for self-publishing titans for the previous 2 keywords, and this is exactly why we're activating both of the Chrome extensions that we're using out of the 4 for the keyword niche score. So we're activating Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score, and self-publishing titans, which gives us a keyword niche score. So in the case that titans have not given us a keyword niche score, in this case we are relying on the keyword niche score that Amazon Scout Pro gives us if the results are positive. So in this case, the results right here, what do we have? Total results under 1,000. Bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal. So that way we'll stick to the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro. If we've got a lack of keyword niche score by titans, and the results here with, let's say the total results are 5,000 and above, average bestseller rank is around 600,000 and above, it doesn't fit the metric, so we're not going to go ahead with this. But in this case, we're going to go ahead with this and rely on number 6 keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro. Now let's have a look at that third and keyword for the day, and our third keyword is Valentine's Day sketchbook for teacher. I love this keyword because of the potential of it, because of the detail that we have right here. This is a beautiful long tail keyword. It has what we need to get started. The theme is Valentine's Day. The audience is teacher, and what is the book about? It's a sketchbook as well. So here we have a really good keyword niche score from both ends, clarifying the importance of this keyword and the strength of it as well. Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche, while Self-Publishing Titans has given us a 63. Green light, ready to go, strong and solid. We also have the total results sitting within that 1,000 range, and they're currently at 1,074. We have the average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher side. It is above 400,000, but don't worry, because that could be dealt with by niching down as well, and also by creating a book or 2 and then moving on to the next book. So it won't be completely focused on this keyword, but I do want you to take advantage of this potential beautiful keyword that we have right here. Both of the Chrome extensions have clarified the strength of this keyword, and we have wonderful data as well to support it. So what you're going to be creating here is potentially a gift for a teacher for Valentine's Day in its sketchbook. Now remember, with a sketchbook you can't just upload blank pages in there. It needs to have some sort of element, some sort of little like, for example, elements of flower or hearts or a border or anything to be approved for Amazon KDP. But here you can get as creative as you can with the cover as well. That would be amazing. Now we do have a couple of books that have a bestseller rank that are quite good as well. Just scroll through, have a look as well, and you would also realize that there are a couple of Valentine's Day themed books that are not related to sketchbook, but they're ranking for the first page right over here. It's because they've utilized this wonderful keyword and added it to the 7 keyword slots. So that's also a strategy that you could adopt right over here. So let's have a look at the fourth keyword for the day. Our fourth keyword is Valentine's Day puzzle book for adults, and it has a strong keyword niche score of 66. Our total results are also sitting within the 1,000 range, and they're currently sitting at 1,440. Average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher side, but I'm not too concerned about that. You could niche down as well based on the sizing and based on the theme of the puzzle book as a sub niche to Valentine's Day. So we have average bestseller rank sitting at 564,494. Average reviews are 5 and average price is $6.96. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro because it does not match the data that we have here. Quite acceptable bestseller rank, and the total results are within that 1,000. Really good amount of average price that generates the minimal rate for us as publishers, and also a strong and solid keyword niche score right over here by Titan. Scrolling down, we do have a couple of books that are also ranking quite well. This one has a bestseller rank of 172,000. This one right over here, beautiful, it's 32,783. This one is at 13,000. One thing here you do want to bear in mind to have a look at the reviews. If it's a 1-star rating, I would go in, I would see if there's any reviews about the book, whether it has something to do with the interior or whether it is print quality. Is it something that we can change as creators, or is it something that Amazon is responsible for in terms of the postage and, you know, the delay happening or the printing quality, that kind of stuff. So bear in mind that could also be used as a feedback. This one is sitting at a bestseller rank of 206,000. We've got 166, 32,000 as a bestseller rank. So all good right here. That was our keyword Valentine's Day puzzle book for adults. Great keyword. Let's have a look at our 5th keyword for the day. And this one is Valentine's Day crossword puzzle book. And it has wonderful potential. First of all, we have a total results under 1,000 and they're sitting at 231. We have average bestseller rank within 400,000, so it's within that acceptable range. So it is 454,883. Average reviews are 23. Average price is $7.56. We also have a good keyword niche score of number 6 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Then ahead, I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans because of the total result being under 1,000 and average bestseller rank in the acceptable range as well. So let's dive in and have a look at our 6th and final keyword for the day. And this one is mini notebook Valentine's Day 2024. Now, this is also an amazing keyword that you could embark on. I wouldn't use 2024 in the title or subtitle because that it could not be changed, and also it would give a look and feel after 2024 has ended of an outdated book. So don't use the word 2024 in the title or subtitle. You can utilize this wonderful keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots if you currently have any notebooks in your portfolio right now published already about Valentine's Day. You can go ahead and update this keyword and add it to the 7 keyword slots to get it ranking. Also, you can create a mini notebook for Valentine's Day and have 2024 on the cover as a customized gift, maybe to mom, to dad, for a couple. It has a total results under 1,000, which is ideal, and it is currently sitting at 466. We also have an average bestseller rank of 66,852, average reviews of 803, average price of $15.50. I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans because of the total results being under 1,000, average bestseller rank being under 300,000. And also I am going to stick with the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. These were the 6 keywords for today. I hope you enjoyed them and I hope you take advantage of these wonderful keywords. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.